Good morning, students, and welcome back to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy. So, in this video, I am going to solve the exercise of Chapter 3, MS Word 2010, page formatting. The first question, fill in the blanks. The first one, page dash refers to how each page of the document will appear when it is printed. So the answer will be the page layout refers to how each page of the document will appear when it is printed. Second, dash is the amount of space between the text and the edge of the page. So the answer will be the page margin is the amount of space between the text and the edge of page. Third one, dash indicates where one page ends and the next begins. So the answer will be page break indicates where one page ends and the next begins. Fourth one, the command to change margin, orientation, etc. are present in the dash group. So the answer will be the commands to change margin, orientation, etc. are present in the page setup group. Fifth one, the set of predefined settings is known as dash. So the answer will be the set of predefined settings is known as default settings. Second question, state true or false. First, by default the line spacing is single, so it is true. Second, to change line spacing, click insert, then line and paragraph spacing, so it is false. Third, page orientation once applied cannot be changed, so it is also false. Fourth one, page color can be applied to both specified page and the whole document, so it is true. Fifth one, page color can be applied by using page setup dialog box, so it is false. Question 3, one word answer. So first one, a set of predefined settings applied to any new document is called default setting. Second, it is the direction in which a page is displayed or printed. So the answer will be page orientation. So third, the dialog box having options to customize margin, page size settings together. So the answer will be page setup. Fourth one, page color and the page border command are under this group. So the page color and the page border command are under page background group. Now question 4. So answer the followings. So question 1, what do you understand by the term margin? Write the steps to set the page margin. So the answer will be the page margin is the amount of space between the text and the edge of the page. So by default, MS Word sets a 1-inch page margin around each page. Now the step to set the page margin. So step 1, you have to click on page layout tab. Second step, on the ribbon in the page setup group, click the margin command. So you will get a menu of option, and in that option the default is normal. Step 3, click the margin size of your choice from the predefined margin sizes. Second question, what is page orientation? How many types of orientation are there and what are they? So the answer will be the page orientation is the direction in which page is displayed or printed. So there are two types of orientation. First, portrait. Second, landscape. So what is portrait orientation? So in case of portrait orientation, the page height is longer than the width. So by default, the Word document pages have portrait orientation. Second, landscape. So in case of landscape orientation, the page gets displayed along the height, which means the width is more than the height. Question 3. Write these steps to insert a page break. So the answer will be to insert a page break, steps are as follows. So there are two methods to insert a page break. So method 1, step 1. So place the cursor at the point where you want the break. Step 2, click the page layout tab and then click on the break command. And question 3, write these steps to insert a page break. So the answer will be, to insert a page break, steps are as follows. So there are two methods to insert a page break. So method 1, step 1. So place the cursor at the point where you want the break. Step 2, click on page layout tab and then click on the break command. A menu will appear. Step 3, so click the page break option to create a page break in the document. Now method 2. So by using method 2, you have to click on the insert tab and then select the page break command. So by using these two methods, you can insert a page break in the document. And the shortcut to insert a page break is CTRL plus enter. Question 4. Name the tabs under page setup dialog box. So the answer will be, the page setup dialog box has 3 different tabs. First margin, second paper and third layout. So you can click on individual tab and make the necessary changes. So in page setup dialog box, you can set the margin of the page. So by default, MS Word sets 1-inch page margin around each page. So in page dialog box, you can set the size for the page in the MS Word. By default, the paper size in MS Word is A4 size. So in page setup dialog box, you can set the layout of the page and determine how the page appears after printing. So in this manner, we have finished the exercise of chapter 3 of computer science of class 5. So note it down in your textbook and in copy, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.